Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Michael and this is Mike Wood Fashion Tutorial. Please, if you're just joining this channel for the very first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please send me thumbs up and also click on that notification bell so that as we post new videos, you'll be able to be notified about our new videos we're going to be posting. Well, I want to appreciate everyone for following me through till this very moment. At this moment, we have been able to finish up with that manipulation. So everything, whatever that concerns that manipulation on the bodies, we have been able to trash that out. Please, if you have not seen videos on those, please go to my videos. I have a lot of them. I have a lot of videos on that manipulation, so you could go there and learn on that manipulation. Okay, yeah, I'm here today. Well, today I'm just here to discuss about something very important. I won't be sewing anything, I won't be cutting any patterns, I won't be doing anything, but rather I would rather want us to discuss about something that a lot of designers either do not know or do not take seriously or do not really pay attention to, okay, as it regards to it. Okay, now today I want us to talk about a topic on what is called wearing ease. Okay, wearing ease. Now, some of us might be wondering, what is wearing ease? Wearing ease is the amount of excess volume in a garment needed for regular body measurement. Okay, for example, normally if you're drafting a pattern, for example, every pattern is supposed to have some form of wearing ease. Okay, either on the bust, on the waist, or on the hip. Okay, normally most times when we take body measurements, we take the exact part of the body measurements. But however, it is necessary that we add ease to them, because if we don't add ease to our measurement, we might not be able to breathe very well, we might not be able to move our hands, we might not be able to move our elbows or even tilt forward or sit or stand or walk. Okay, so the purpose of the ease is just, to allow for body movement even after putting on our clothes. Okay, so it's a very, very important that we take ease very seriously. Okay, so I just want us to just analyze something we have done in the past, in the past video, and at the end of the day I'll be giving my recommendation based on my observation and my years of practice on this fashion work. So I want us to go on a video I did some time ago on how to draft the body's torso foundation. Now I was able to draft the bodies from the beginning to the very end, and we saw the video. It was quite a lengthy one. However, I actually sewed at the end of the day, and the model I used, our measurements for the pattern, was also present with me, and she was able to wear that garment. Okay, she was able to wear the garment. So looking at the video, this is what we have. All right, guys, I'm looking at the video we did. Okay, when we taught bodies, how to draft the bodies. Okay, torso foundation. You can see that after we have sewn the garment and everything, you can see what it looks like on the body of the model. Okay, the ease on the pattern was quite much if you're very observant about it. Okay, the ease was quite much. However, these are my recommendations. I actually drafted that bodice again using another ease, using a ease, for, because normally this ease actually determines the fit of the garment also. For a very loose garment, of course, the ease is going to be different from a very fitted garment. Okay, so these are my recommendations for ease, for either for a slim figure or a full figure. So basically I repeated the process of that drafting again. Okay, I drafted the bodies again using the same measurement I took in the first place. However, I however reduced the ease of the garment. Now for the first garment I showed us right now, for the bust I used about 3 inches ease. I added 3 inches extra. Normally the bust measurement was about 34 inches, so I added 3 inches ease. 3 inches ease to it, speaking it 37. For the waist I added 2 inches ease, and for the hip I added 2 inches ease. I added that to whatever measurements I took from the body measurements. Okay, that's the amount of ease I added that to it, you know, to allow for movement and all that. And of course, at the end of the day, we can judge what we have. Now, can we compare this one, that's the old one, the first one I did, to the second one? You can see that the second one is actually more fitted than the first one, because I used less ease for the second one. Why I had more ease, what I used for the second one was, for the bust I added just 1.5 inch ease. Then for the waist I added 1 inch ease, and for the hip also, okay, about 1.5 to 2 inch ease. Okay, so right now I just want to, these are my recommendations. Okay, now normally when you want to make garments or draft patterns for people, we usually have different kinds of people. We have the slim figures and we have the full figures. So for the bust, these are my recommendations. For the bust, you can add 1.5 to 2 inches for a slim figure, and for a full figure, you add 2 inches to 3 inches for the bust. Okay, now for the waist, you can add 0.5 inch to 1 inch for a slim figure. Some full figure also like 1 inch to about 2 inches ease on the waist. Why? So the matter of waist is a thing of preference. Okay, some people even like negative ease, that is no allowance at all, no wearing allowance at all, no wearing ease at all on the waist. Yeah, people like that like that also. So like a negative ease. So but for a slim figure, if you must put an ease, it must be about 0.5 inch, or that is half an inch to 1 inch. Then for a fuller figure, you can do 1 inch to 2 inches. Then also a negative ease. Okay, now for the hip, for a slimmer figure, between 1.5 to about 2 inches ease, wearing ease is actually very much okay. Then for a fuller figure, between 2 to 3 inches ease is actually. So these are my recommendations. Okay, so apart from I talked about the wearing ease. Wearing ease here is that extra volume or extra measurement you add to your normal measurements, so that your garment will fit very well on the client you're making it for. Okay, at this point we have come to the end of this video. Now you can see the before and after. You can see the first one I drafted with more ease, and the second one I drafted with less ease. You can see the difference. It's actually the same body measurements but different ease I use. So these are my recommendations, but also you can also discover yours yourself. Okay, till I come your way again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do have a lovely time. Bye bye for now. Bye.